Hello everybody, it's Monday. It's time to get packed for the Road Dog first surf session of my life. Yeah, with my new gear, my Ben Gravy wetsuit and my Wavestorm surfboard. Anyhow, getting the car ready to camp out overnight at the beach, and just want to show you what we're doing. So check it out. We got a futon here, futon mattress, and that's going to be my cozy little cave for the night when I'm down at Mavelet Beach. At Mavelet tonight, it's supposed to be plus 6 degrees Celsius. That's not very warm. Anyhow, I'm going to try to keep warm. I'm going to grab some blankets, and this is the beginning. Hi guys, I should mention to you that this little car here, this Prius, is now named Prius the Prius. Prius the Prius. The reason is because this Prius frees us up to do fun trips like what I'm doing now, my first surf session ever, and getting to the airport when we go on trips, taking us to the beach, whatever we got to do. Anyhow, Prius is the new name of this Prius, and it's what's getting loaded up for my first Road Dog surf session. So I've frozen up some water here to put in my cooler to keep things cool and to drink as it melts. And I just noticed something, that one of these bottles hasn't frozen yet, and I know what's going on here. You got to check this out. It's so cool. Just hang on here. Check this out. Liquid water. Give it a shake. Or a bump. It's not doing it. Hang on. There it goes. Did you see that? So cool, huh? It just instantly froze. Or at least turned to slush. Alright, so this is part of my packing process, and just wanted to show you this. Cool, eh? Went looking for some blankets in the closet, and guess what I found? An old sleeping bag, so I'll be using that, man, to try to keep me warm tonight. Didn't even know we had it. Bonus score! Believe it or not, this is the winter coat. I gotta take this with me because I'm gonna be so cold. More stuff to come. Clothes! Gotta need some clothes. Notice a little gap here. I wonder what that's for. Can't forget a cooler full of food with some frozen water, some spring water. Yeah, I'm learning, Ben. Spring water, right? Exactly. Might have to do some rearranging for you know what. Anyhow, we're getting there. Alright, we just did a little rearranging for you know what, the pièce de résistance, surfboard. Not much sense of going without that. So, anyhow, let's go grab it and see if we can fit it in this sucker. Anyhow, here we go. Let's see if this Prius the Prius can eat a surfboard. Yum, 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 burp. Okay guys, we're all loaded up. It's starting to rain and it's getting a little cold here, so hang with me. Let's have some fun on John's first Road Dog surf session and see how it all goes down. So we're gonna pack it up for now. We'll talk to you later. Okay guys, this is what temperature it is at the start of my session, at the start of my trip for my session. Getting a kind of chilly start here, so give me some love, warm me up. Okay, it's time to roll. We got some rain on the sunroof, and we're just about to leave the property. Put her in gear, and here we go, folks. Little honk to the wife. Check the traffic. Nothing coming that way. Nothing coming that way. Let's rock and roll! Woo-hoo, here we go! Wish me luck, folks. I should make note of the time that we're starting. And I don't know if you can see that in the camera or not, but we got about a 5:45 start time to the trip. Let's see how long it takes to get there. Had a little hiccup, folks. Got to the gas station. I got to give Prius some gas here. He's thirsty. As you can see here, he's only got a few notches left on the old gas meter there. But anyhow, not quite enough to get to where I'm going and back, so I want to fill her up. So to make the long story short, while I was at the gas station and I was trying to record something, my camera said, "Card full." So, you know what that means? I had no memory left in my car. For my camera to shoot video and stuff, I couldn't erase all the stuff that I had on the card, because that would have left me with none of the video that I shot for the preparation for this trip. So, I had to go back home, transfer those videos onto my computer, erase my card, hop back in the car, and start all over again. So, a few minutes later, it's now 6:18. As you can see by the clock on the dash there. And we're heading back to the gas station. We're going to try to get some gas for this thirsty little puppy and carry on. Here we go. So, trials and tribulations of the noob vlogger. So, take care, people, and remember this lesson: dump your card before you go on a vlogging trip. Take number 2 at the Petro-Canada gas station to get some gas. Let's give this another try now that we got lots of memory space in our camera. Here we are, pulling up to the pumps. Okay, here we are, giving Prius a little drink here, so we can get on our way. So we'll see how much we tally up here in a second, and we'll let you know. So 3 bars left on the gas gauge, 3450, 27.938 liters. You gotta like that. That's what it's all about. Owning a Prius the Prius. There we go, folks. We have a full gas gauge. We are ready to rock and roll. Let's hit the road. All right, folks, here we are back on the road, going through the cute little town of Berwick here, and through one of its only, I think it's only street light. And there we go, a little bit of B-roll for you. In the town of Berwick. Right next to Waterville, where I live. So we're on the road. We are starting our trip. Hang with me, folks. So there's the sign, folks. It says Middleton and Yarmouth. Now, Mavelet Beach is close to Yarmouth, and that's where we're heading. Just about to make the turn to head to my beach, where I'm going to learn how to surf. Yeah! Here we go! Woohoo! Hitting the highway! Let it roll! Here comes a highway sign showing us how far it is to Yarmouth. And it says 213 kilometers! That's how far we gotta go, folks. So by the way, folks, for those who are wondering as I'm traveling along the highway here, what highway it is and where I'm going from and going to, I'm traveling on the number 101 highway. So we're going from Waterville, which is close to Berwick, down to Mavelet Beach, which is almost to Yarmouth. Yarmouth is where you can catch the ferry from Nova Scotia to Maine. So those in the States want to come up and check out some of our surfing spots. That's a little shortcut that you can take from Maine to Nova Scotia, and it ends up in Yarmouth, about 20 kilometers away from where I'm going to be. So anyhow, this is where we are. We're on the 101, traveling down to Mavelet Beach, and enjoy the ride. Just a little example of how the RainX works on the windshield. I'm traveling along at highway speeds, 103, 104. And you see the water just peeling up off the windshield. No, I don't work for RainX. I just want to let people know that it's out there and you can use it to You just put it into your windshield washer fluid reservoir, and it helps to bead the rain off your windshield. Pretty cool, eh? So we've knocked off a few kilometers. We're down to 174. Yeah, it looks like I'm traveling out of this rainy, cloudy weather to some sunny weather. Things are looking better already. Go, buddy, go. Yeehaw! Things have turned around for the better, folks. We've got a nice sunshine and dry highway. Yee-hoo! We're getting closer. Coming up to the Bear River Bridge, which is kind of cool. As you can see by the sign here. Check it out, folks. I think it was one of the first curved bridges built in North America. Here we go. Yee-hoo! Built back in the early 1970s when I lived in Digby. A friend of mine's father, the guy I lived right beside, helped build this bridge. The Bear River Bridge, folks. Just outside of Digby. We got a picture spot coming up here, so I got a Kodak moment coming up, and I'll have to stop and take a picture for you. Hey folks, I had to stop on my trip here to take you a little picture and a little view of my hometown. This little island right here is Bear Island. That little opening right there, that's the Digby Gut. And just to the left right here, really hard to see because I'm shooting right into the sun, is my hometown of Digby. Yay! Yeah, that's going to be really hard for you to see, but it's in there somewhere. It's a good thing we got some sun, I guess. That's all I can do for you now, though. Yeah, we're about halfway there. Yeah, I'm at the 100. Yoo-hoo! There we go. You see the silhouette of a couple of those turbines there. So we're making a little bit of clean energy up here in Nova Scotia. Right on. Had to just stop quickly to show you a little scene here at Gilbert's Cove. Show you how bloody windy it is out here tonight. There's Gilbert's Cove Lighthouse. Speaking of wind, those are the wind turbines over there in Digby Neck. And I'm sure they are making some power tonight. Hey, just a little update, guys. We're really getting close to Mavelet Beach, and in the sun and the nice weather here, we've got a little boost in the temperature. It's up to, woohoo, 13 degrees. Got a little surprise for you. Check this out. I think that's the sign we want to see, isn't it? All right, all right, all right. This is our exit, folks. Mavelet Beach coming up. Hey there, Prius Exit stage right. Yee-hoo! Okay, now put some brakes on, dude. You know how to do that? Whoa, regen. Yeah, regen. It's Prius. I got regenerative braking in this thing. Off the road, ready to hit the road that takes us down to the beach. Going into the sun, so I'm gonna turn the camera off. Whoa! friends, ahead of you is St. Mary's Bay, or La Baie Sainte-Marie in French, because this is the French shore, the Acadian French shore. And that's the bay that Mavelette Beach is on. We're about to make a left-hand turn here, and we'll be heading towards Mavelette Beach. Alright, alright, alright. Left turn for us. We are on the Evangeline Trail, number 1 west, on our way to Mavelette. And it looks like we've got 9 kilometers left to Mavelette Beach, according to that sign. That's more like it, isn't it? Yeah. There's a sign of beauty. Yes, sir. There it is there, folks. That's Mavelette Beach. We are seconds away from our destination. Yeah. We're about to turn down John Doucet Road, the road to Mavelette Beach, the backside. It's kind of a loop here, so you can go one way or the other. And here we are. Right turn, Clyde. Sorry about that. Free us, I mean. This is the road to the beach. Come on, camera, zoom. Jeepers. Stupid camera can't zoom right. Anyhow, ruining my shot. So here we are. We're on John Doucet Road. And we're coming up around the corner here to, yeah, our destination. Gonna be driving right into the sun. There it is. That is it. Right there, folks. Right on, we're here. What a beautiful evening to make my entrance onto the beach. Thanks for the nice weather, Mavelette. There's Cape View Motel and Cottages. We'll be visiting them shortly. And over here is the restaurant just above the beach. Oh man, I wish you could see this, but the sun's blocking the view. Oh, it's so beautiful here. Whoa, almost forgot to make my turn. We're here. We're here. We're here. This is it. I'm not even going to turn the camera off. I'm going to stop, take my seatbelt off, park, turn the damn thing off. I always forget to do that. Here we go. What a beautiful evening here, folks. Check these waves out. Damn, I should be gearing up and getting out in those. Oh! Isn't that beautiful? What? I did tell my wife I wasn't going to surf by myself, and there's nobody here to surf with right now. So guys, forgive me for not gearing up and going out in these. Oh, look at those. Those are great little learning waves. Oh man. What a way to greet me. Thanks, Mavelette. You better look like this tomorrow. Hey, it's supposed to be a nice day tomorrow, nice and sunny. We'll gear up and hit this beach tomorrow, all right? Anyhow, gotta go check in with the guys up at Cape View Motel and Cottages, Russ and Carol, because I'll be staying on their property tonight. Okay, folks, coming up to Cape View Motel and Cottage entrance here, and we're gonna go in and check in with Russ and Carol, so that I can stay on the property, get in the webcam view, so my webcam fans can check me out. Anyhow, there's a big Adirondack chair that they have out front, with the Acadia painting, the Acadia flag painting theme to it. Pretty cool, hey? Nice spot to take pictures. And we're driving right down into the sunset into Cape View Motel and Cottages. It's hard. There we go. Sun's gone. Oh, it's back. And it's gone. What a beautiful little place to stay. Nice and cozy here. Nice and quiet. Cottages and hotel, motel units. So if you need a place to stay close to the beach, you got it right here. Let's go in and check in with Russ and Carol. Okay, everybody, we're all checked in at Cape View Motel and Cottages, and you can check them out on Facebook or check out their website for a reservation. Right next to Mavelet Beach, man, if you want a place to stay, to go surfing or check out the beach, beachcombing, whatever you want to do. Cape View Motel and Cottages. Check out these cozy little cottages. As I leave and go down to the beach, take a few more pictures down there at Cape View Motel and Cottages. Yeah. Check out this sweet sunset coming up here, folks. I'm here just in time to catch it. And down here close to the parking lot by the beach, we've got a little ice cream boat in the summertime. This boat opens up as an ice cream place. Yeah, a place to get ice creams. Pretty cool, eh? Right on. All right, Prius, good job, buddy. Thanks for getting me here at the beach. Here we are at the Surfers Beach parking lot. And we're heading over to the beach right now. There it is. Mavs. Our cute little nickname. Yeah, I know it's not Mavericks, but it's Mavs to us. Mavelet Beach. On the Bay of Fundy. La Baie Saint Marie. St. Mary's Bay. According to Russ, there were a few people out surfing today, so hopefully I didn't miss the waves. But if we get something like what's happening right now, I should be able to play in this and have a little bit of fun tomorrow. What do you think? All right. I think the moon's smiling at me. Woo! So there's the restaurant, the ice cream boat, Cape View Motel and Cottages from the beach parking lot. The beach surfers parking lot? It's not really the surfers parking lot, but a lot of surfers park here. Okay, we're going to do a little tour down John Doucet Road here that goes along the beach. So you can see a little bit of this provincial park and see what it's all about. Of course, to our left here, those are the sand dunes that are between the road and the beach. And there's a couple parking lots down here that have facilities that you can use while you're at the beach to change or... Yeah, so we're driving up to one of the spots where you can go in and change, use the washroom. And I think they even have a tap here, so if you need to wash your wetsuit off, you need to wet something down to clean things, it's right here. So there's the tap. There's the washroom and changing rooms. And we got a path, boardwalk, and set of stairs that takes you up over the dunes, so you can park here and go up over the dunes down to the beach. So nice little parking lot here with some facilities. Garbage cans, recycling bins. Yeah. Alright. I'll just take you down a little further and we'll show you the next parking lot. Same idea. Here we go. Not too much further down the road. Whoa, and there it is right there. So this facility, same deal. You got the changing rooms. You got the outdoor washrooms. And you got the walkway up to the beach. Only this walkway is a little bit longer. Speaking of washrooms, I'm going to stop and use one right now. Excuse me, folks. Okay, we made the bladder a little gladder. So now it's time to carry on and show you the rest of the road. It's not much further. And I think there's a bridge out down here, so we won't be going too much further to start with. Here we go. Let's get this thing in gear. Yeah, and there's the barricade sign. And the sign coming up saying road ends. And I think they're trying to make a point here, as in you can't go any further. Right by that road end sign's another parking lot to the beach. So they got 3 or 4 parking lots here that you can use to visit the beach. That can take you up and over the dunes down the other side to the beach. Only this one here doesn't have change rooms or washroom facilities. All right, back to Cape View Hope Motel and Cottages, my home for the night. Alright folks, it's time to go roll in and get settled down for the night at the Cape View dry camping spot right below the Webcam, Nova Scotia Webcam, Mavalette Beach Webcam. And that's what we're going to do. So let's get this show on the road. Get settled in for the night. Rolling into the campsite right now. Trying to find the spot where I'll be in view of the webcam, so webcam fans can check out my every action. Haha, no, not seriously. Anyhow. And Russ, the owner and manager of Cape View Motel, said right by this white pipe thing here is where I should be in view of the webcam. Woo! So here I am, by the pipe. So it's about 9:36 at night. I'm going to settle down, and we still got about 12 degrees outside. This is the temperature it was when I stayed here last year. All right, as you can see, I've changed the tire. I got my winter coat on. Anyhow, we're going to open up Prius here and set up shop, set up camp for the night, and settle down for some rest because I'm going to need it tomorrow. One wave storm, surfboard, yeah. Need some stickers though, Casey, and I'm waiting for them. Don't worry, I'm waiting patiently, dude. One of these days, once I have a few more free finances, I'll get some stickers from you too, Ben. Don't you worry. Just give me time, man. After the wetsuit and board shock, gotta go work a few more hours, if you know what I mean, to get those funds, to free up a few funds for cash, free up a few funds to buy some more stickers and stuff like that. Anyhow. There's my kitchen, which I think I'm going to take a drink of this stuff. Tropicana orange and tangerine, yeah. Pack it in, pack it out. Gotta go grab the sleeping bag. Got a couple pillows. You know what? I'm throwing the extra blanket on right now because I know I'm going to need it tonight. When it hits 6 degrees, I'm going to be wishing I had it if I didn't. So it's going on right now. Ha! So there we have it. Our crash pad for the night in Prius, the Prius, who I thank for getting me down here safe and sound. So I guess it's time to call it a night. I think I'm going to go down by the beach and watch the waves until it gets real dark and I get real tired and come back up here and go to sleep. Because I can't sleep right now, I'm too excited. We'll see you tomorrow, folks, for breakfast and then some surfing. What do you think? Good idea? Right on. Okay, good night. We got a drone here. I don't believe it. All right. All right, guys, it's about 11 o'clock at night and everything's all set up for sleep. It's an amazingly beautiful, I don't know how to describe it, night here on Mavelet Beach. The moon is out. You don't even need a flashlight to go outside. It's so nice out. I don't know what to say. It's a pretty neat setup. It's a little chilly, but it's time to hit the hay so I can get some rest for my big day tomorrow. And we'll see you tomorrow for breakfast. So good night and take care until tomorrow. Hey, good morning, guys. It's a beautiful day. First light. It's let me see, about 5 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, so let's just take a peek here at the first light. Pretty nice, huh? I think it's gonna be a beautiful day. Anyhow, I just had to get up and make my bladder gladder. So now that that's done, I'm gonna get a few more winks. Just went down to look at the beach, and hey, it's pretty smooth out there, but I do see and hear some waves. The tide is way out there, so as the tide comes in, hopefully the waves will build and we'll get some learning waves to ride on. And yeah, today's the day. Looking forward to getting out in the water, so we'll see you in a couple hours, okay? So I'm all dressed and ready for the day. It's an absolutely gorgeous day. I got up at 7, went down, walked on the beach with the beach chickens and seagulls. Checked out the waves. Hey, they're not spectacular, but I think for this old man, probably what the doctor ordered. So I'm gonna make this quick. Gonna set up for breakfast here. Gonna have a little cereal and get ready for the day. Not gonna make too many of these little videos here because I gotta save battery in my camera so that we can shoot the surf scenes, because that's the main focus of this vlog. So anyhow, I'm gonna get my gear out and have a little cereal on this gorgeous morning, Tuesday, June 26th. This cereal that I was talking about earlier tastes an awful lot like peanut butter and raspberry jam bread. Guess who forgot their cereal? Moi. Hey, you know, stuff happens, right? Anyhow, I'm going to finish this breakfast up. Then we're going to go down and do a little photo session with the board, and hopefully somebody will show up so we can go surfing. Because I promised the mama I wouldn't go surfing by myself. But who knows, I might have to. Anyhow, going to finish my breakfast here. We'll talk to you in a little while. Alright, so breakfast is all done. It's time to ship out from this location and get a little closer to the beach. Nobody's here yet, but we're going to go down and take some pictures and have a little fun before the day starts, before the surfing session starts, and see what happens. It's a beautiful day here, boys and girls, and members of the Nub Nation. So we're going to make the best of it, whatever way it comes. So we'll see you in a bit. So check out the waves coming in, folks. They're not really big, but for somebody like me who needs to learn, you don't want big waves, right? Anyhow, nobody's here yet. It's about almost 9:45. High tide's at 10:30. Really would be nice to get some people here so that I can suit up and get out in these waves. Anyhow, waiting for somebody to come. Hanging in there. Hopefully somebody will come so we can check it out. I don't want to go out by myself and break my promise to my wife. The legend is here! Yeah! All right! I'm awesome now. Surfboards! He's finally here! Woo!
Bro, I like surf and stuff.
Yeah.
After my first coffee.
So let Brian have his coffee and then we'll get to it. Woo!
Yeah. I saw some nice sets rolling in there. Like. It's little, but it's okay.
conditioning. Ben, you make it look so easy. Casey, you make it look so easy. All you guys out there, make it look so easy. Ah! Reset, take 2. Let's give it another try. I'm going to do a water temperature check here. I'll take a picture of the temperature once the thermometer settles down. Hang with me. So here it comes, folks. Drum roll, please. Here is the water temperature. Can you see that? Is that ridiculous or what? It's under 10 degrees. It's in the 40s. Wow. This 4-3 suit from Hyperflex is working great in these conditions, just to let you know. So you can handle these kind of temperatures. Okay, everybody, here we go again. I know I haven't got a ride yet. I apologize. I'm really out of shape, and this is very challenging. Kudos to all you surfers that make it look so easy. Way to go, guys. Anyhow, I'm trying. We're going to try again. Let's see if we can actually get a ride out of this and on this and have some fun. We're having fun anyhow. No worries. I'm having a ball. Got to start somewhere, right? Okay, let's do this. No cigar yet. Ben Gravy might be on the suit, but he's not in the suit, not yet anyhow. I got a long way to go. My battery's dead. I didn't get up, I didn't get a ride for you. Hopefully the next time. Peace out till then. Hi guys, the video for this next clip didn't import into my editor properly. So I have a picture here of my good friend Brian Carey, my surf buddy for the day, and one of his awesome custom wooden surfboards from Aeon Surfboards. Well folks, I got to thank my good friend Brian Carey here from Aeon Surfboards for being out with me today. My first surf session.
Twist my rubber arm.
Yeah, it's
surfing or work. Nah.
Anyhow guys, I'm sorry but I didn't get up for you, and the little bit I did get up I fell very quickly, but it's all part and parcel of learning how to do this wonderful sport. So I look forward to the next time I get out, and thanks for all the support. Keep surfing.